Hi guys, hope everybody's doing fantastic. Today I've had a look in the drawer of dreams, the old drawer of rust, and I pulled this one out, which I picked up recently, I think on eBay, and it's a Westcott, it says keystone wrench, and it's a 6-inch, and it's Buffalo, New York, and I've done one very similar to this, which was made in Canada, so I'm not sure the connection between the two companies, but it is uncanny. So I've took my my brass hammer and I've punched out the pin, so I needs a good clean now. So it definitely needs a good clean. It's pretty filthy and it needs a good polish, so I'm going to give it a good clean and then I'm going to come back. So bear with me in 1 sec and I'll be back. Look at that, guys, look at that beautiful liquid patina. That's beautiful, isn't it? Look at that, feast your eyes. Hi guys, we've given that a little clean up, got rid of the general grime on it. It's degreased now and it's clean, so we can see what we're working with. So you can see the general grinds are not the greatest. There's definitely some improvement can be made, I think. It's definitely had a life, this wrench. It hasn't been sat in a drawer, which is great. Yeah, it's most of the muck and dirt has actually come out now, so it's ready for the ready for a polish and a bit of a spit polish, I think. You can see, generally speaking, it's not in too bad a shape. The jaw's not too bad, but it just needs a clean up, really, doesn't it? Just needs a clean up. Needs a bit of love and attention. So yeah, guys, I think we can definitely make some improvements on this. So I will see you in a few minutes, hopefully with something a little bit more presentable. All right, I'll see you in a sec. Here we go again. Right guys, we're back. That was a lot more work than it looked at the beginning. Let's have a look. So we've took it reasonably far. We've took all the sharp edges off it, and it has got you know, somewhat of a mirror finish. I put a little bit of green, as you've seen, in the relief, and you can see I've managed to take away, so it's really super smooth now. Absolutely nothing on it which is going to runs super smooth. So yeah, really nice little wrench. So I've had a little look, and the Keystone, shall I say, Keystone Manufacturing Company out of Buffalo, New York, actually dates back to 1883. Which is quite something really to think about it. And the factory is still there today, but very run down and derelict looking. And I'm really not 100% sure what happened to the company. I think it was trading till at least the 50s, and maybe beyond. Now I did recently do a Canadian adjustable wrench, which to me looks almost identical, but this was a Graze manufacturing. So I'm wondering if there was a connection between the Keystone Manufacturing Company out of Buffalo, New York, and Graze out of Canada. So they seem to me to be almost the same wrench. So I don't know if they had the same sort of pattern rights or whatever, but it's a really cool little wrench, and I'm very happy the way it's come out, and it'll be a nice addition to the old tray. So yeah, so shall we put it on the wrench tester and see how it goes? I'll see you in a second. Right guys, let's give it a run on some nuts, shall we? See if it fits any of these nuts. So it's obviously going to fit the smaller one. I mean, they're kind of cool the way they are, you know, the way they're working and stuff. I mean, yeah, I suppose the handle would be going straight, wouldn't it? So yeah, it's kind of advantageous, but not 100% sure what. But it's lovely in the hand now, lovely and smooth, lovely and, you know, tactile in the hand. There's not a sharp edge on it, so it's a nice thing now to hold. So yeah, works pretty well. Let's see if it actually all the way up. See if it actually. No, it's not going to do that. No. Right, let's go back to the bench then. Well guys, I think that's turned out reasonably well. I'm quite happy with it, and it's a nice little wrench for the collection. I appreciate everybody who's managed to get this far into the video, and all that's left is time is to put it away, I think. So let's put the little wrench away. In it goes. So we're starting to fill up now. We're definitely getting there, slowly but surely. So it's a nice little addition. The Westcott, which is the same, very similar to the Graze bent wrench as well. So right guys, thanks again for getting this far into the video, and don't forget to leave a comment in the description. Okay, bye.